Hi, I'm Hao. In this video, I'm going to introduce you how to move, rotate, and scale a 3D object in OpenSimulator. To do these things, we firstly need to create a 3D object. Let's create one. Still, we press the Build button on the menu bar and then select the Build option. On the pop-up window, select a box or a cube or any other object that you want and place it in the scenario. Now we have a object. Then please click the third button on the pop-up window, which is the Edit button. Once you click the button, you will see we have three axes crossing over the object. We have three axes crossing over the object, which means we are now in the editing mode. You may have noticed that we have three arrows with red, green, and blue colors on each axis. To move an object, we can just simply click one of the arrows and drag your mouse. Let's click the red arrow and drag it. Now you see our object is moving left and right side. We can also try the other arrows. Let's try the green arrows. Click and drag. You can see that our box is moving forward and backward. We can try the green arrows. Click and drag. You will see that the box is moving up and down. So this is how we move an object in 3D in OpenSimulator. Next, we learn how to rotate an object. To do the rotating, we need to press and hold the control button on the keyboard. Please do it. Press and hold the control button on the keyboard. If you keep holding the control button, you will see three circles with red, green, and blue colors surrounding the object. But if you release the control button, these circles will disappear immediately. So let's press and hold the control button again. And on any of the circle, we can click and drag the circle. If you do that, you will see our 3D object is rotating. So let's try it. Let's try the red circle first. Click and drag. As you can see, our 3D object is rotating. Then let's try the green circle. Click and drag. We can also try the blue circle. Click and drag. To be advised, when you are doing all these rotating things, you have to keep pressing and holding your control button on the keyboard, because once you release the control button, the circles will disappear. Yeah, so that's it. This is how we rotate an object. You can try as much as you want. And finally, let's take a look at how we scale a 3D object in OpenSimulator. To do the scaling, we need to press and hold the two keys at the same time. Please press and hold both the Control key and the Shift key, and you will see some gray points. Those gray points, or maybe white points, on the corner of the 3D object. And you will see three colors key, the red points, green points, and blue points on each surface, on the center of each surface of the 3D object. You will see these things. Let's zoom in. Press Control and Shift. You will see that we have green points on the center of two surfaces, red points on the centers of another two surfaces, and blue points on the other two surfaces center. Okay, so at this time, if we keep pressing Control and Shift buttons, and then if we click the gray points and then drag it, we can scale the object. We can make it large or make it small. Yeah, this is how we do it. And then let's move it a little bit up. And if you click the colorful points on the center of each surface, you will see the object will be scaled along a certain direction. Let's try the green points. If we click and drag on the green points, you will see that the box is dragging into a long stick. And then we can also compress it into a wooden surface like a board. Okay? Yeah. And we can also drag the blue points or the red points. All right, that's it. Let's move it a little bit up. Yeah, so this is how we move, rotate, and scale a 3D object in OpenSimulator. You can play as much as you want.